Case study questions. Question number 1. A circus artist climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Answer the following questions. So figure it is given like this. So ground here it is the vertical pole and here it is the rope PR. In the figure PR is the rope and its length is given as 20 meters. The artist is here. He is moving from P to R. Okay. Now from this figure you have to answer the following questions, and here the angle it is given as 30 degree. Okay. In your question paper some case study questions will be there. Based on one situation you have to answer 4 questions. 5 questions will be there in the board exam paper. 5 questions will be given. You have to answer any 4 only. Okay. Now here in this we can see the first question. See the figure here it is triangle PQR. The artist is here 30 degree 20 meters length of the rope. Okay. Now question number 1. See what's the question number 1? Triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is a dash triangle. So which type of triangle is triangle PQR, that you need to answer? Isosceles, equilateral, right, acute. So which type of quadrilateral? That you can see from the figure it is. Here it is a vertical pole. Now what is the angle here? It is 90 degree. So we can say which type of triangle it is? Right triangle. Okay. Now it is a right triangle. You got the answer. What is the measure of angle P? Angle P. So in that triangle you can see that angle R is 30 degree, angle Q 90. So what is angle P? By angle sum property we can say it is 60 degree. See that you can answer 60 degree. From the options you can select it as 60. What is the height of the pole? Height of the pole. So vertical pole we need to find the length of PQ. See here it is the height of the pole. For this angle 30 degree it is opposite side and the hypotenuse it is given as 20. So which ratio we can use? Sin 30 we can use. Okay. So what is sin 30 equal to? Sin 30 the value you know. What is that? 1 by 2. Okay. So for this figure sin 30 equal to h by 20. H by 20 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore h equal to what? 20 by 2, which is same as 10. So 10 meters is the answer. Understand? So we can write the answer here. The height of the pole is 10 meters. What is the distance of lower end of rope from base of pole? Distance of lower end of rope from base of pole. So you can see that the pole is here, base of rope here. The distance QR we need to find. According to this ratio we can select which ratio? 30 degree for this adjacent side is here. So cos 30 we can. Cos 30 equal to what? Adjacent side, that is QR by PR. That is equal to QR by 20. QR by 20. What is cos 30? It is root 3 by 2. Now QR equal to, what is QR equal to? Just to do cross multiplication. 20 root 3 by 2, which is 10 root 3. So what is the length QR? 10 root 3. So our answer we can select 10 root 3. Then fifth question. What is the area of triangle PQR? Area of triangle PQR. So you know that what's the formula for finding the area of a triangle? Here it is a right triangle, no? So half BH we can use. Half BH, that is equal to half into base into height. Base QR you got. Half into 10 root 3 into, what is the height? It is 10. That we have already calculated. So 2 you can cancel here. 5. 5 into 10, 50. So our answer is 50 root 3. Okay. So we can select our answer. Here it is 50 root 3 meter square. Understand? In a class test, the marks obtained by the students as given in the table. The teacher asks some questions, find the answers. So table is given, class and frequency, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, etc. 40 to 50 it is given. Then values 5, 4, 7, 3 and 1, frequency. Now the question number 1 is, which is the model class? The 4 options are given, class intervals are given. And which is the model class? How we can select model class? Model class means maximum frequency. Here we can see that maximum frequency is here, 7. So this class is model class. Understand? So model class it is 20 to 30 that we can select from here easily. Which is a median class? That's the second question. Here also 4 options are given. Median class, how we can select? So for that we need to find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we are just finding. 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 3. What is 16 plus 3? 19, 19 plus 1, 20. Now sigma fi, that is 20. So total number of students is 20. N by 2, what is n by 2? 20 by 2 means 10. Okay, n is 20, therefore n by 2 it is 10. Now just more than 10, the cumulative frequency we are selecting. So that is 16. So the same class 20 to 30 is median class also. Understand? So 20 to 30 is median class also. The same answer you are getting here also, 20 to 30. Understand? How many students got marks below 20? Below 20, how many students got marks? See from the table, 5 students got marks below 10, 9 students got marks below 20. From this cumulative frequency, you can find it as below 20. How many students? 9. So, which is our answer? 9. Understand? Third question. In a school, Eco Club is planning to make a garden in triangular shape. They draw a line parallel to one side to separate jasmine plants and rose plants, as in the figure. Answer the following questions. See the figure, it is like this. ABC, it is the area they have separated, and PQ, it is the line drawn, and they are separating jasmine plants and rose plants. Okay. Now question number 1 is, if AP equal to 3 meters, AQ equal to 4 meters, PB 5 meters, then QC equal to what? So it is given that PQ is parallel to BC. So we can apply the theorem. Which theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. So by that we can say that it is AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Okay. So we can substitute the values. What is that? 3 by 5 equal to 4 by QC. Then can you find QC? Just to do cross multiplication, you are getting 4 into 5, 20 by 3. So our answer, 4 options are given, 20 meters, 20 by 3, 12 by 5, 12. From this we can select 20 by 3 is the answer. Understand? Now the second question is, AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. By which theorem we got? Here given PQ parallel to BC. By which theorem? By applying which theorem we got these two ratios are equal? The 4 options are given: Pythagoras theorem, basic proportionality theorem, converse of BPT, converse of Pythagoras. Which theorem? Surely it is basic proportionality theorem. If lines are parallel, then the ratios are equal, that is BPT. Next question is, if AP equal to 5 meters, AB equal to 15 meters, PQ equal to 4 meters, then BC equal to, we need to find BC. So for that we need to select the idea of similarity, that is AP by AB equal to what? PQ by BC. Here the measures are given, AP and AB are given, that is AP 5 by AB 15, that is equal to 4 by BC. How we can find BC? Just to do cross multiplication. BC equal to 4 into 15 by 5. So 5 we can cancel, here we are getting 3. So our answer is 12 meters. Okay. What is the answer then? 12 meters. So we can see our answer here 10, 12, 15 and 75. Our answer here we got 12 meters. Then fourth, if PQ parallel BC, then triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC. By which similarity criterion? If here lines are parallel, that is in the given figure it is ABC, PQ is here. PQ parallel to BC. If these two lines are parallel, what we can say? Corresponding angles are equal. These two also equal. And which are the similarity criterion given? AA, RHS, ASA, SSS. So which criteria we can select? AA, similarity criteria. Okay. So these are the ideas given for case study questions.